You ain't gonna do it. See it?
That back one?
Yeah. Here you go. Oh, get the right one.
That one right there, right? Open your mouth all the way up. I didn't do it. Talking about this one right here?
Uh-huh.
Alright, hold on, hold on. I gotta close it nice and easy. Wait, here, open your mouth, though. I gotta see. Wait. Let me get to it. Automart. Oh, shit. I don't know if it'll come out, dude. Dude, you need to have a surgeon do that shit. Just give me plenty of room. Clamped. I almost got it on there. Damn it. Oh, almost got it, dude.
Crazy.
Oh, I told you. I'm a surgeon, baby. Very rare.
A lot.
It's jacked up.
You're lying.
I already showed them too.
You have a very rare jaw disease?
Yeah,
Feel
it's
it.
called hog jaw. Do
Feel
right
it. Feel it, dude. They're still fighting over that deal. See them? They're in there, and they're fighting with Regan. Now they've gone to the owner's son to fight over who's going to get that deal. You see him? It's been going on for days now. They're fighting. Hold on. I gotta make sure. They're still fighting over that deal. Well, Jason gave us the bird.
Sure, baby. We'll split it. That's my decision to make, not yours. Not nobody else's, because it's my opportunity. When you butt in and take the opportunity away from me, you basically disrespected me as a salesman, and you're asking for something from me that you're not willing to get back in return. I just gave it to you the day before. My customer come in, he said he didn't ask for me. I said, dang.
Hey,
What's up?
It happened the week before when my little black girl
I didn't go hump his leg. I didn't go talk to him about the bond company. I didn't say his wife ran the business. I didn't say why I didn't do that stuff. I didn't say, hey, how you doing? You remember me? I'm the guy you said you'd come buy that car from. I didn't do none of that stuff you do. I took it on
You guys
chin.
still talking about it?
I took it on chin.
You don't know.
Was that it?
I want him to mention. I want him to mention my.
To express the way you feel about this situation.
Some complications lead me astray. Opportunities that ain't okay.
You like the song, Jason? Hey, Jason, you like this song?
You got your worst. I'll give my best. Lies, all fucking lies. Lies, tearing out my eyes. Lies, devil's surprise. Lies, tearing out my eyes. It comes up, there goes astray. An opportunity that ain't okay. You think it's yours? I say it's mine. It belongs to everything. It's all time. Lies, all fucking lies. Lies. Business we lose.
One guy was walking.
You're a liar. You're a big fat liar.
No, man.
What business did we lose?
5 months ago, you did the same thing. You had all these appeals
You just
go up, and you were
implied
saying,
we lost business.
well, my
I want you-
appointment left, and then I lost the other one.
Listen, Jason. Listen. When you come off that house nipple, you're going to have a hard time selling cars, is all I want to tell you.
I just want to say this. Can't we all just get along? Just have a little prayer to the Lord. Ask Him to calm you down. Settle
60%
down.
of your deals are house deals. Without house deals, writing up paperwork's nothing, Jason. That ain't selling a car.
Let's get it ready
Let's
to
see how good a salesman you really are.
Jackasses.